In 1999, after the release of The Matrix, the topic of living in simulation became bigger, and people started thinking, are we players in this cosmic simulation? What if our own reality is meticulously crafted? And suddenly there was a possibility that, maybe we are living in a simulation. In real life, people occasionally reported experiencing odd and inexplicable occurrences that feels like disruption in the fabric of reality. These occurrences are referred to as glitches in the matrix.
You guys see that shadow? Where? 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 Where are the clouds? Where are the clouds?
A few years ago, a man was camping alone in the quiet embrace of the moonlit forest. As darkness settled in, the man decided to go live, sharing with the viewers what was going on. He initiated a live stream inviting virtual spectators to join him, but suddenly the atmosphere changed and the event became horrifying.
I have no axe. Nothing. Now, did you just see that? Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? No. Nothing. Now, did you just see that? Did you see? I have this campfire roar in here, okay? So, hang on. Back it up. I don't know if you guys can keep seeing this behind me when I'm doing this here. Hang on. That is really weird. I'm like, let me get a little closer. There we go. Maybe you'll see it behind me. I've wandered everywhere in the forest here all day, and I see every star in the sky. There's no clouds. There were earlier. There's nothing. But this light keeps flashing up in the trees, different areas. It's really weird, and I don't know how to describe it because it keeps flashing at different areas of the trees. Sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's higher, and I don't know what it is. I just hear elk around. It's kind of freaky. All right, I'll turn it back again. Hang on. Yeah, it is really freaky. I've never seen anything like it. Okay. All right, let's see if we can see it now. No helicopter. Oh, did you see it?
Throughout the video, he was reading the comments of his viewers. He saw lights of different sizes and colors, and the activity kept increasing.
No. Hang on. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you see that big light? No clouds anywhere. There's a clear sky. Yeah, that's a different area. Whoa. That looked like it came up from the ground, and now it's flashing, and then whoa. That, if I can zoom in, hang on. Let me see if I can get this zoomed in a little closer. See if you guys can see this better. So I can get you the effect here. Hang on. Okay, hang on. I know it's going to be dark for a second. I don't know, it does look like it's closer. Though that's nothing. That's just embers flying. Did you see it? Across the screen. Did you know what? Whoa! Now did you see what I'm talking about? That was good. That was a good.
The guy mentioned that there were no clouds when this event occurred. It looks like something is flashing among the trees. The light kept coming from different directions. At one instance, he was able to capture it coming from the ground. People in this comment section mentioned that they had a similar experience. What do you think it is? Absolutely, human progress has been remarkable in many fields, including science, technology, medicine, and more. However, there are still numerous phenomena and questions that remains unexplained.
Jullie zegt dat ik dit nog nooit van mijn leven heb meegemaakt. Er is geen wolk. Waar komt dit vandaan? Wat is dit? Hallo?
Rapaz, diabo de macacada é essa mesmo? Que esse colchão tá flutuando mesmo, moço? Não, irmão, ó. Não tem nada embaixo, irmão, ó. Não é mentira mesmo, não, ó. Diabo de macaca.
Guys, I'm taking this live on the Temakosumbo Road. Wow! Charlie, unbelievable stuff, man. I can't explain this.
Reddit user iDrippin posted a video after the hurricane hit his place, and the video he captured is really unexplainable. You can clearly see and think about it, how can such a big branch pass through that narrow grill? While many events are far away from explanation, there are few that can be explained. Let's look at some of these videos where the airplanes seems to be frozen or hovering in just one place.
A big one as well. Look at it, for real. Looks like it's just kind of hovering there. It's wild. I almost want to stop on the side of the road so you can see. It's really moving. That is crazy.
When a plane seems to hover, it's likely facing strong headwinds. The wind's force against the plane's forward motion can make it appear stationary relative to the ground. It's more about wind dynamics than the plane itself hovering. This phenomenon is known as headwind hover or zero ground speed landing. Typically, an airplane or helicopter faces a strong headwind that matches or exceeds its forward speed. In such conditions, the aircraft can appear to hover or even move backward relative to the ground, despite maintaining its position in the air. Similar occurrences can be seen with the birds as well. They smartly adapt to the wind, making a way through it every time. On April 13th, a Twitter user Bernie on the bus posted a video of Pope Francis in the window above St. Peter's Square, which instantly got viral on the internet. Before Pope disappeared by walking out of the camera range, the image of the Pope vanishes abruptly. Let's watch the video frame by frame. Hey, thank you for watching this video, but wait, there's more. Nah, just kidding. Please like and hit that subscribe button if you like this compilation so you don't miss out on our amazing content. Stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day.